Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are in yet another Icon. This is a FJ44, finished in the new school specification. Specifically, it is a 1971, and it is production unit number 144. Of course, we're running the 6.2 LS3, so aluminum fuel injected V8. Great motor, nice fat torque band, just fun all the way around. There's really no flat spots whatsoever, and I really never found myself one for power when it comes to this motor. For transmission in this one, we're running the General Motors 4L65E automatic, which is tending power through to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time four-wheel drive transfer case. Axle assemblies, Dynatrac built, Dana based. So Pro Rock high pinion Dana 60 in the back side, and in the front side a 44 based that is all new down to the castings, and that's running superior fine spline axles. We're running the ARB locking differentials in the center of the front and rear diffs with a dedicated air compressor you see nestled into the engine bay. And then we are running on the outboard edges of those axles the ICON Sport brakes developed by our buddies at Brembo. So 6-piston front Calis, 4-piston rear, Hydro Boost assisted with a twin reservoir master. For suspension, we are running the ICON Sport suspension, which is the adjustable system with nitrogen charge and remote canisters. Also running the tunable torsion bars style sway bars front and rear, and Eibach coils on the coilover architecture, so triangulated 4-link in the rear, 3-bar panhard up in front. We're running, as I said, new school, so it's running the new school bumper setup. So the rear being the one that has the dual pivoting carriers with the lock pin on greasable fluted shafts that are 3-axis braced to the chassis. In the front, we are hiding the ICON private label LED aux lights, as well as the Warren winch with the ARB recovery gear bag with all the good ARB and Viking stuff stashed within. The rear bumper has the storage drawers, the Class 2 receiver, and the camera option in this case is also integrated into that rear bumper, along with the powered LED reverse light. Moving on to the inside, we are running all of the standard new school fare. So we have our sexy Learjet visors and the new, well, I keep saying new because I'm just so proud of them, rearview mirrors and center console, the 3 of which are all available for purchase on our website. And we're running the Chilowich textiles. We're not running seat heaters in this truck at the client's request, and we are running a custom second row 3-passenger bench seat, bringing your seating capacity in conjunction with the jump seats in the rear up to 7. Big family. So Chilowich standard removable rubber back and insulated floor mats. We're running the map pockets on the doors as well as in the cargo area. We're also running the highest end audio system with the Focal K2 speakers with remotes, plus amp and bass. We're running the latest generation of the Pioneer 8000 series NEX head unit, which includes now untethered CarPlay, which is quite nifty, as well as voice to text, Siri control, navigation, HD radio, CD, blah, 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 all that stuff. Running the ICON Sport pedals and running the ICON fire extinguisher. Fully insulated soft top, no roof rack on this one, which I think looks really clever, especially with the white and black. Just accentuates the blocky boxiness of them and all of that good stuff. So that's all I got. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch yet another ICON FJ video. Don't you have something else better to do? I hope not. Questions, call us 818-280-3333. Old school website, www.icon4x4.com. On Instagrams, where the party's at, is ICON 4x4, but you can also find us on Facebook, and my personal account on Facebook as well is Jonathan Ward. Thanks again. Till next time, be well, my friends.